Hey guys, today I'll be showing you my volcano land 65 million years ago. So right over here, and here, we can see two dinosaurs, a T-Rex, a Velociraptor, and a ice lion, which is from the Antarctica, but I made it I made like an Antarctica bit, which is very weird because there's not supposed to be Antarctica yet, and animals that are from Antarctica, because only this one is the only Antarctican lion that still lives, and at this age there's about to be a huge volcano eruption, and huge animals are still in, and they're still living. They're trying to eat each other, but they won't. They still want to live, so they're not going to kill each other, but they're still going to fight each other. Hello to the Dinosaur Battle! The Dinosaur Battle Stadium, where dinosaurs that eat meat fight to win the meat to eat the other dinosaur. I mean every dinosaur, not just meat eaters, even herbivores. So, go, we go! Ding! Ding! Yes! T-Rex wins! And Velociraptor's head goes off. Dang, but he's still not giving up. He's trying to pop his hand off, and his leg off. No, but his front tooth came off, so he can't use his front tooth. So he's going to use that side, and he's still trying to get all of the parts off. And T-Rex wins, so he gets an operation for his thing to go on, and he gets to eat the raptor. Delicious food. I will make a dinosaur fight in another video, and as well, I will even do 3 more battles with these 3 in, and whoever lost. Wait, not this one, because this one doesn't have a part to take off. So only these 2 twice again. So Velociraptor, this is not quite the colour I'm expecting for a raptor. Well, this came from the Lego Movie 2, the present I got before, and it cost like £25. So now let's actually time to talk about the volcano. So the volcano is the bit where it's the dangerous bit. Yeah, I'm in the lava. No. I'm going to throw this on the dinosaur. Oh, missed. Okay. So when the dinosaurs are still living, when the temperature comes up, the stuff go up, and volcano eruptions come, and the explosion comes, and as well, mountains are not grey. Don't expect grey mountains, but only grey mountains are the poisonous gas, and sometimes the ice mountains that are still frozen can be still grey. they still can be grey. Some mountains are grey, but I never expected a grey mountain. Like the frozen mountain. And over here, we have a fire thing. Over here, all of these. Fire inside the volcano. And if you want to see the inside, I got to attach this off. And it isn't that hard. It's just like a one piece you need to take off. So I'll just... Oh my god. I guess it's too hard, but I'm still going to try. Take it off. Okay, I did take it off now. Oh my god. Never mind. Okay, so now the inside of the volcano is like this. I'm gonna actually take this off. It is easy to actually put it back on, but it's hard to take off, so I'm not gonna take it off. So look at the inside of this volcano. You can look until I fix everything of the volcano again. Oh my god, this volcano is rubbish. And, oh my god, why does this have to be in the way? Never mind. This volcano is rubbish. Okay. I think I overdid the volcano thing. Okay. Ah, that's better. Thank you. Oh my god. I'm about to sneeze though. Okay, it didn't really do anything. Okay. I don't really need it because I didn't really do it. Okay, I'll just... Hiya! The colours are when, look, for example, the dinosaur's going to touch is going to eat the lava up. If the dinosaur's trying to eat the lava, dead. And he will actually die because lava is made out of fire and poisonous gas. And as well, it can go through its breathing and it can't even breathe anymore. Put this back on one piece. Put this back on here. Okay. Now the ice bit, which I didn't talk to you for ages. Ooh, I got an idea. This is the frozen part. Oh yeah, that. So the frozen bit is like, I made this bit over here. It's like a water tornado. When something goes in it, just sucks it in. Like this white piece is going here, and from underground it throws it back on underground from on until the water, and it puts the piece back on. Like this. Oh, poison. I just found some poison. Where should I put this poison? Here. Got some poison and more poison. Now I'm going to show you this bit over here. So this bit. So when someone enters that bit of the ice thing, they froze up. Let me just get a person. It doesn't really matter if 65 million a million years ago a person was here. So because none of the animals I have fit in here, I'm just going to put a person because it does fit in here. So it's like if a person enters, it freezes for 10,000 years. It sleeps for 10,000 years, then it awakens up when somebody touches him. Hiya! Okay, these bits. Now, the lava of doom. So the lava of doom is when the volcano erupts, something falls down from the volcano because it overspilled lava. So it's a dinosaur volcano which bursts out dinosaurs, which I don't know how dinosaurs even go out. Now it's time to show you why the grass is black. That's a weird question. Only because of the fire was here. Ooh, speaking of fire, the dinosaurs are going to die. Not now, though. In maybe 8 minutes. Yeah, in 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, dinosaurs are dead. Bye, dinosaurs. You're going to die in 8 minutes. Actually, more than 8 minutes. Maybe 12 minutes. They're going to die in 12 minutes. So, speaking, I forgot about the battle. So, let's do 2 more because I said I'm going to do 1 before. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ja! Round 2 of dinosaur eruption dead is going to be wild this time. So if you're about to die, grab your opponent's head, T-Rex, and throw it into the lava, or raptor, bite it, and put your poison into its body so it dies. But the dinosaur won't do that. So he's trying to wrap around him, and he does, but the raptor escapes and gets his mouth, and as well, doesn't get off. But then the T-Rex gets his head again, and he takes it off. Dinosaur win! Okay. I think I got it. Yep, I did get it. Okay, got it. Put it back on. Round 3. Yeah! Round 3 of Dinosaur Dead is on. I think the dinosaur just won, but we'll have 2 bonus rounds. Everybody, if you like this, there's 2 bonus rounds. So, oh yeah. So, buckle up. It's time to destroy. Ja! Ja, ja, ja. Lava is going dead wild now. Boom! But the raptor dodges it. And again, another one. But no one was there. So it just shot for no reason. Okay, one more battle, then the dinosaurs die. Ding! Okay, now it's time to actually die. Okay, let's actually do this. So, wait, let me just not actually put that to the end. So it's like when the T-Rex is dead, everybody. And everything dies. So the raptor's head fell off. But then the T-Rex got lava. I'm dying for death. No, I'm dying for death. And he is dead. Okay. The first person's alive, which is, let me just choose a person, and the first person alive is going to be Spider-Man. First person alive is Spider-Man. A dinosaur! No! Oh, they're dead. I think that's how good Spider-Man is. Cha! Ching! What was that? What just fell off? Let me see if anything's... Nope, nothing fell off. Oh, I think it's that fire. Yep, definitely. I think it's a fire. Yep, it is a fire. And I got it. Now it's my turn to attack the dinosaur. Cha! Ching, ching, yeah! Ching! Ha! I guess the dinosaur didn't survive the super smack. Okay, let me just find all the pieces. Okay, we found the last piece. Now where's the other piece? Aha, found it. Wait, what is this? Oh, so this goes here. Then this goes here. Okay, I'm ready. But the dinosaur still lost his mouth, but it doesn't really matter. So, da-da-da. So you're going down, down, down. The more the time goes up, the easier the dinosaurs die. Aha, I got another good idea. Rolling tank, help me please, so I can destroy this lava bowl. Fire tank to the rescue tank. First I need to put this on his hand. Oh. Spider-Man, yes. Why are you red? Because I am red. I wanna be red. Okay, but are you real? Of course I'm real. Why am I here then? Okay, let me just dig through this. Okay. Yes, I am rich. I am rich. Yeah. What can I have? The treasure. Remember you said anytime we find treasure, we're gonna share it. Oh yeah. Okay, you can have this and I'll have that. The crystal. Okay, let me just... Oh my god, it just broke. I'll have the crystal. No, you have the gem. And I'll have the crystal. No, you have the gem and I'll have the crystal. Let me just take it out. Oi! Okay, that's good. Okay. Oh yeah, because it's broken. I don't really have to do something. Okay, where's that thingy? Never mind, I'll just fix him. Okay, where is it? Aha. Okay, I fixed him and he's got the crystal. He's the fire crystal tank. And I've got a crystal. Oh, I am rich though. I am crystal. I am a rockstar. Speaking of rockstar, I think I can easily find what's that called? Oh yeah, a rockstar's guitar. I think I can find it quick. If I can't, I might not even have it. Okay. Off the table I am, and oh, where could this rockstar guitar be? Did I just see it? Oh my god. Okay, guys, I can't find it. I thought I can find it quickly, but no, I can't. Okay, I hope you guys like it. Subscribe to see my other videos. Bye, guys. Time to death. Hey.